Guess who's back, back, back,
No
back
joke.
again.
Hey, she left you. Doesn't it all happen to us, dog? Anyway, we're reacting to Travis Scott, Modern Jam. He released a bunch of videos and we're reacting to them today, and that's like the third one. But yeah, let's see. We're gonna do the whole marathon. Travis Scott, Modern Jam. Let's see. What language is that?
This gives me like Kanye West video vibes. I
Which
need
one?
you right now.
Yeah, I forgot the name of the track. Yeah, but yeah.
Din, 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 din,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Turn up. To the maker. Vibrator. Roof shaker. Earthquaker. Annihilator. Yeah. Baby, please get off the gram. I like you better in the stands. I upgrade my only fan. They do it, don't need a cam. This right here, the new modern jam. I'm on fire, the new Burning Man. She paid the view, that's a on demand. He geek man, brought him on for friends.
He started, he's back with.
But it makes sense though, because
What?
it's a party, it's in the club.
Okay,
It's in context, that's what I'm saying.
okay. So I hope I don't see bad tricks.
This shit pump.
I guarantee you, since this Travis Scott, we're probably gonna see white women's butt cheeks first.
Yeah, we did already.
Oh, we did?
Yes, that girl, it was a white girl. Did you see?
No, I didn't see butt cheeks.
Yeah.
No, I'm sure it's, I'll see another pair of cheeks.
There was a white girl, yeah. Literally, when the video started.
No, it's okay. I'm sure I'll see another pair.
I upgrade my only fan.
Oh, I see
They
her.
do it, don't need a cam. This right here, the new
See this? You have an white girl ass radar built in.
modern jam.
No. I like sisters. Oh.
Fight a new Burning Man. She paid the view, that's a on demand. He geek man, brought him on for friends. This shit pump, put it on the Bible. I like a bi girl on a bicycle. Then I bought a car, now she feel entitled. My dick so hard, poking like the Eiffel. I just need the world, I ain't hard to please. Where I keep the knowledge, think I'm Socrates. I got him levitating way off the knees. The way I make it jump, I make it hard to breathe. It's like Annihilator. Forever favor. True upgrader. You a shaker. Club.
I would hate to be in a place with like these lights. I think fucks with my brain.
Baby, don't you know I got to go? Got
You can't be epileptic, yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna die.
You're gonna have seizures for days.
the glow and
You don't want Rick Ross, yeah.
it got the show. Know it's been a year since I seen the road. Had me inside like I'm on parole. I'm outside like I'm on patrol. I hear the zeitgeist, now I'm in the zone. You know they say you up when you finally free. It won't feel right if it's only me. If you scared, niggas say your grace. I got the formula like I own the race. I got the keys with me like I own the place. If these niggas on top, then I'm out of space. I'd rather spit it on you than on Uncle Sam. Get this shit my all, but don't.
I cannot tell you what I'm seeing because I'm not seeing anything in this video.
It's a very lazy video. I'll
I
say
just
that.
paused and the video went black.
They've been in the same spot. It's like they're covering the bullshit with the effects.
Jesus
Like
Christ.
we're back to the old Travis Scott stuff now.
Yeah, they they probably told him they don't have a budget, so he was like,
Like you fucked it up. Do you remember? You wanted to go internationally.
you wanted to go to Africa.
Look now.
You wanted to go to Brazil.
Give a damn, even in the winter, it's a summer jam. I told her buckle up, this is going down. It's like Juice breaker, heartthrob, baby. Feel the skater, you true raider.
I know you lying outside waiting in line, getting down one at a time. I know you lying outside
nice song. This is an enjoyable song.
It's tiring though. It's
Yeah.
different and nice, but I don't think you're gonna listen to this song like again and again and again and again.
Yeah.
Because it's like it makes sense. It makes sense because you understand that okay, it's being experimental. You know, it's different.
Yeah.
But
Let's give him points for that one. Yeah.
I don't think it's cohesive enough. Like the lyrics and the beat.
Yeah.
It sounds like it could have been made by like like teenagers. It's like it's not like really gelling the way it should be like a song. Like it's not
Yeah.
cohesive.
Who gave Tiger a microphone? I don't care what anyone says. This is Tiger. I hear Tiger's
It
voice.
sounded like Andre 3000 when it first came in. Not necessarily his voice, but like the style.
Yeah.
Like that. Nah. Yeah. Nah, that's not Tiger. Kind of like, I understand the song. I like the song because it reminds me of like some of the funk songs that I like. So yeah.
Daft Punk called.
Yeah,
want their
that's
music
a-
back.
yeah. I don't
Yeah.
know. I think this. Okay, I understand because I was confused as to why this album was getting so much slander on Twitter and just social media. They're like, Travis Scott, he flopped. Now I understand why. This album is definitely, it would be polarizing, especially to those core fan base, because it doesn't sound anything like his previous music. It's very experimental. And I understand why some people they say album is trash, but now I'm even more convinced to listen to it. I'm gonna listen to it definitely. I'm gonna listen to it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, watch all the other videos that we have. We've got a bunch of videos, music, every other thing that you can think of. We have it. Suggest it, share the link. Thanks for the love. We're on the road to 500 subscribers, so please subscribe and like the videos. Comment below, suggest anything is welcome, and see you next time.